while to talk to God, to have God talk to us and tell us who we truly are. And he told me, you know, you're beautiful, you're flawless, you're my princess, you know, you're my bride, and all this stuff. So that was definitely really impactful. We got to stand up on the chairs and we got to yell it, you know, kind of as a victory and telling Satan, you know, I'm not this ugly person. I'm identifying myself in Christ. So that was definitely a really impactful, powerful week for me.
What was it like to hear God's word?
It was amazing. It was like talking to a friend or talking to, you know, my dad. You can like hear it and feel it. Like instead of hearing it from other people that I'm pretty or, you know, that I'm a daughter of God, it's more personal whenever he talks to me and tells me that.